buenas tardes. So, oh, your hair! I got
you know I used to wear.
I got the hat on,
Yes, I love it.
and I'm like, I'm tired of it already. I need to color it.
I used to wear my hair cut like that before I moved to Florida. Actually, I wore it about 6 years. And then I started twisting it, and then I let it lock from there.
Yeah.
Yep. That was my style.
And then look at Teresa. I don't know if you recall her, but she used to have braids and all kind of stuff. So now she's tired too. So we're just saying hello. So we have our spread here, and it is a spread. So they like this. I made this dip with Greek yogurt and cream cheese and dill. It's really yum. And we have curry chickpeas, caramelized walnuts, the kale salad. We need to warm it up? Oh, okay. And I made some fish. I made blackened fish. And this is like with turmeric and curry and turmeric. Then we have some chicken wings. Look at those. Woo-wee. And let me turn the camera. It's a lot easy. Yes. So I made a ratatouille. So I made the 2 pans. Okay. And we got quinoa. And we have desserts. And they look like little fattening stuff. Apple turnovers. We got fresh fruit. And the upside down cake. And all the drinks. Yes. And ice and water.
And it's more yummy than yours.
Yes, ma'am. I heard you. I'm going to get them together. All right. All right. So this is the gathering. So we're going to be doing some trivia games, and we're going to be. We have a sister who's going to be doing trivia about Morocco. And we have more sisters over here. And this is my friend Julie over there. Julie! Hello, hello. Everybody is fed. Everybody's comfortable. Right? It's dessert time. We're going to do a little trivia game before we... You know, Mina is here, so we have to do the dance thing. And I told her, I'm the photographer because my legs just don't coordinate. But we're going to do it. It's for a good cause. Yes, for you. You can take it. Uh-huh.
Ladies, everybody doing all right?
And this is a birthday girl. I'm a birthday girl. I'm not a Leo, but I'm a birthday girl too. Oh, and Debbie's birthday was Monday. Yeah. So we're going to have to sing for ourselves. All right. All right. This is my gathering with my little peeps. We're supposed to wear a hat, but some people wear hats. All right. She doesn't want to be in the video, so I'm going to stop. All righty. Oh, wow. We're having fun here in Panama. Love you. Bye.